Saan kayo pupunta? Secret muna. But we have a taping.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoobs! For today's vlog, ako ay natapos ng mag-gym, mag-breakfast, and andito na tayo sa makeup chair ni Mar.
Hotel chair.
Ay, walang chair. Hotel chair. Charot. Tapos, syempre, ang foundation by Justin Pano. Yan ang gagamitin natin for today's makeup. So, yan. Bibigyan na lang natin siya ng magandang shot. And this is the serum that I'm gonna use today, the RF3 World Australia. Yan ang ating mga... Ayan. Ayan sila. Ang foundation at syempre ang ating RF3. The serum. Okay, makeup tayo. Tapos na ang mga makeup namin. Ito, nakita nyo guys. Kami ay nandito na sa kotse at sinusuong ang traffic. Ayan siya. Medyo traffic at this hour. Ang call time namin ay 2:30 and it's almost 2 o'clock. Pero ang sabi ni Waze, kami ay makakarating doon in 32 minutes. Ayan. So marami siguro magtatanong. Saan kayo pupunta? Secret muna. But we have a taping. As you can see, naka-red sila. Naka-red pants ako. Naka-red din ako. Red team tayo ngayon. So, ayan. Hulaan ninyo mga Zoobs kung saan kami pupunta. So, may taping kami. And, ayun nga, medyo nahirapan akong lumabas kaming apat dahil si Mimi nung nakita niyang mga nagre-ready kami.
May sepangs.
Sepangs na siya.
That's my favorite word right now. Sepangs.
Sepangs. Iyak siya pero ngayon okay na daw siya kaya makakahinga na ako ng maluwag dahil nagsiswimming na.
Pati si Daniel Padilla
Naka-red. Ang
naka-red.
daming naka-red oh, yung mga carden red. Feeling ko talaga.
Signs.
It's a good sign. But anyway, mga Zoobs, dito muna tayo sa traffic. At hantayin na lang natin kung anong oras tayo makakarating. Pero hindi naman siguro tayo malilate. And yung mami ni Andy at si Sammy, last day na kasi today. So nauna na sila. Nagpunta sila sa UP Town Center. And ano kami, magkita lang siguro kami after. Pero hopefully may pang treat kami sa kanila. See ya! Andito na tayo sa gym. 7. As you can see, pulang-pula kami.
Christmas in July though.
Oo, parang Adelaide to din. Parang Australia.
Ang ganda yung red sa camera.
Ganda na.
Oh, outfit check. Ooh, red na red. Team pula.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun. But it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
After Jaja, kami ang Team Zoobs.
Ay!
Ano yung kamay?
Wala.
Magtatanong lang po. Ready po? In 3, 2, 1. Pakilala
Oh.
po.
Mapakilala ka ikaw.
Ah, okay. So,
Hi, I'm
sorry.
Andy Smith.
I thought you were gonna say. Hi, I'm Andy Smith.
I'm Diana Zubiri.
I'm Zar. And I'm Jada.
And we are the team
Ano nararamdaman natin na maglalaro tayo sa Family Feud?
Actually, kinakabahan kami. Sana manalo.
Sana.
Ah, wala. Wala. Medyo hindi nervous but excited.
Excited.
Pressure.
Sana manalo kami. Kaya namin to at mananalo kami.
May ensayo po tayo sa Team Go Go Go.
Team Go Go Go. Kami na ang magsasabi ng Go Go Go! Away.
Ari, parang ikakasal ah. Na all. Holding hands.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you, I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us, it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us, it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us, it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us, it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
Mga Zoobs! Natapos na ang ating buong araw na taping para yan sa Family Feud. Kaya sana abangan nyo yan sa August. August 1, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So abangan na lang natin kung ano yung naging resulta ng aming game. But for now, I just wanna say thank you sa ating mga sponsors for making this vlog possible. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Bye mga Zoobs!